Hello there, my tulips. Welcome back to my channel. It is yours truly, Miss Bliss in the house. Yeah. So I know y'all felt that little vibration. My baby is walking through my tripod, okay? He don't care about me doing no video. Hey, baby. Mama love you too. Go get your toy. So, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Bliss. I know it's been a while since I've done a sit down chit chat with you guys, but I figured we go ahead and have this chit chat. We're going to address this huge big old elephant right here. So it's more than one elephant in the room. Okay, let's just go ahead and do this thing. So as you guys can probably see, oh, hold on, wait. Stop the presses. If you are new tuning in, welcome. I'm so glad that you decided to stop here. I hope that you subscribe to this channel. It's absolutely free. I hope you click that bell's notification because you like this video so much that you want to come back and see me here. And I hope you give this video a big thumbs up because you can relate to being decisive. So let's get into it. So yes, we're going to address the elephant in the room. So I know you guys can probably see there's a huge difference with your girl, her. And we're going to get into why that is. So I know that you guys have been following me on my Lock Love hair journey, which I actually started, I want to say, I believe back in October or November. I want to say November, actually. November of last year. And y'all, I really love the look of those locks. I just love them so much. They were so cute. But then a lock crush that I had, and I'm not going to call her YouTube channel out. I don't want to call her to the carpet. She cut her locks out. And it just turned me off so bad that I said, I'm going to take my locks out. And I kept coming across all these videos about people having molds in their locks and their locks having this horrible odor. I'm like, oh no, I can't roll like that. So almost immediately, okay, ain't gonna lie, immediately, I combed my interlocked locks out. And literally a week later, I'm like, girl, you tripping. Why is you tripping? You didn't get lost because you had a lock crush on somebody else. You got it for completely different reasons, right? So, girl, go back, put them locks back in. So, I went back and I put my locks back in. And y'all, I was disappointed with the way that my second set of locks looked, simply because they were much more flatter. They had more length, but they were so flat, and I could not do anything with them. I could not style them. I just was disappointed. And I don't care how much I tried to wash it to help it get some volume, some length, some fullness to them. It did not work out. So I kept my second set of locks for 2 months. And my first set of locks I kept for 2 months. So I'm sitting here feeling like a fish out of water. Because I'm like, I could have been 4 months in had I kept my first set of locks. Now, if you're new here and you have not seen my first set of locks, when you go to my channel, the video that you see is of me with my first set of locks. Then if you go to my last lock update video, those were my most recent set of locks that I just recently took out. So check that out if you haven't already. So now here we are with the indecisiveness. So I'm going back and forth in my mind if whether or not I want to put my locks back in. But this time I want to make sure. Hey, I love you too. Oh, let me smell, bro. Oh, yes. try to kiss this lipstick off me. Stop, babe. But this time when I go in, I want to make absolutely sure from the inside out that I'm completely doing it for the right reasons. I love you too. I love you too. I love you too. Where your toy? Where your ball? Go on, babe. But I want to make absolutely sure that I definitely do it for the right reasons. Also, in this little period without having them, I want to do more in-depth research in regards to lock sizing, because that was one of the major reasons why I did take out my second set of locks. I just did not like not having any volume. Okay, that's a major thing for me. And I also noticed that when I took down these second set of locks, my hair was much more thinner. I noticed that taking down these second set of interlock locks, a lot of hair came out with it. So usually when I do my hair in spring twist, it's definitely fuller. And my back is normally shaved and my side is normally shaved, and I usually have more fullness, and my hair has grown, and I got these spring twists throughout my entire head now, because I have no shaved hair at all, no shaved head at all, and these are just so flat to me. So I believe what I'm going to do is, like I said, take some time, really do some more in-depth research, and kind of determine what's best for me. Should I be interlocking or should I be palm rolling, especially being that my strands are fine hair strands. And just what type of locks do I want necessarily, because the last two set of locks that I had were micro locks, but I were interlocking them. And with interlocking, it really just makes your locks really small, and I don't know if necessarily that's the best look for me or not. And then I was doing the 4-point rotation. Maybe I should have been doing the 2-point rotation, or just, like I said, just doing palm rolling all together. So I'm really just kind of sitting back trying to decide maybe what would be best for me. Keep in mind, y'all, I'm no loctician. I'm no loctician at all. I'm just your everyday girl who been doing her DIY locks. So I want to make sure that I select the right type of locks for me. Now, I definitely know I don't want the real fat, juicy locks. I don't want them too big, too thick, to the point where they're too heavy on me. But I do like micro locks, but I don't want them uber thin, okay? To them. And I want fullness, and I want volume. How can I have the best of both worlds, y'all? So anyway, I'm indecisive, not sure what I'm going to do, but I definitely know for a month at the minimum, I'm going to sport these spring twists to allow me time to kind of think about what it is that I want to do. So with that being said out there, do you think I should go back to locks, or do you think I should just stick with my natural hair for a while and just do loose natural styles? So anyway, you guys, that's just a quick update on what's been happening. And I'll see you tulips in the next one. Smooches. Mwah.